What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're with Micah and we're gonna be fishing for catfish.
I have chocolate ice cream, but he's not a cuss, so he doesn't get any.
Cool. So we got our chicken liver, a rod. This is the second time I'm going fishing this year. It's been a while. We're gonna cast out and hopefully get something. Micah got something! Do not lose it. So keep your rod tip up. Keep your rod tip up.
I'm better than all of you.
He lost it.
You yelling at your calf teeth, perchance. Just so you know, guys, I caught a catfish, so I failed. It's all his fault. Okay. Spam L Lincoln in the comments.
So you grab your trusty. I haven't done this in a while.
That thing is tweaking. Might need to take out the teeth so I can use it for later.
The hook.
I'm gonna get another hook out.
Here, record.
Much bigger hook.
Look at that guy. All right, there he is.
I think he has a tumor.
He has a pretty big...
That's just not nice. That's just mean.
He's got a big belly on him.
You're actually so mean.
All right. He is 3.14 pounds. All right, so we're gonna... So as you can see, real quick, right.
Don't touch that.
This is a stinger, and so is this.
Thing's dying, and you're saying funny thumbnail. We're cooked. That's a tornado.
3, 2, 1.
Did it snarl at you?
Yeah, he did.
He snarled at you. God. That's just disgusting.
I know. We got our big chunk of chicken liver.
Meat. Guys, am I a good cameraman? I'm a goated cameraman.
So we gotta cast it out there. Make sure, yeah, it's
See those ripples? That means there must be a river monster. He failed a catch. Oh, look at him. Yeah, you're just a jerk. You just killed a poor turtle.
I got a turtle.
I think he might be a bit scared that the gods of the overworld fished him up with a net. Get that away from me. He's genuine. Bro, he's genuinely terrified. Throw him like a frisbee. I think you just killed him.
I think there's no more catfish.
So guys, we have all the second graders over here.
Smallest catfish I've ever seen.
It's like smaller than a bluegill.
Especially in this pond. How are you catching this small?
Hi guys, this video is sponsored by no one. Please sponsor us. That thing's like gasping for its life. Bam
The
bam.
hook came out really easily this time.
Bro, get on the helmet. Not even a pound. You got a few bites.
I'm gonna cast one more thing of chicken liver out there, and that'll be it.
I'm recording.
All right. Well, we got something else, as you can see. I guess I was wrong. If it breaks off, I'll be pretty sad.
That one out.
Here. Got him.
Bro.
All right. Holy crap! Big head.
Damn.
Look at that. All right. Good kid. Micah, we got another one.
That's what she said.
First, I need to put him in the water a little bit just to clean him off.
Guys.
Okay, come on.
Can't take like 30 minutes.
I'm gonna be making a video soon. The new Basketball Zero video is gonna come soon. And I think that the title is gonna be You're Either Perfect or You're Not Me. Masterpiece, right?
Yeah. Okay. All right. He's 4.1 pounds here.
You got a fat belly.
Here he is. There he is.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I'm better.
There he is. Guys, sorry for the short video. That's gonna be the end of it.
Check out my channel, by the way. Micah the Goat. I have the best channel of all time. Alright. Way better editing.
This was a semi-successful fishing trip, I'd say. But we're gonna go. See you in the next video.